Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips, where we share easy and fun ways to make life better. Today, we're talking about tiny tweaks that can create big changes in your daily life. These are simple, practical tips you can start using right away to make your days smoother and more enjoyable. Let's jump in. First up, hydrate first thing in the morning. This might sound basic, but drinking a glass of water right after waking up helps kickstart your metabolism and wakes up your brain. Bonus points if you add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing boost. Next, reset your workspace at the end of the day. Spend just 5 minutes tidying up. It clears your mind and makes it so much easier to dive into work or study the next day without the clutter. Here's a game changer: the top 3 rule. Write down the 3 most important things you need to do for the day. Focus on those first, and anything extra is just a bonus. It's all about prioritizing what really matters. Now let's talk food. Pre-pack snacks or lunches the night before. Trust me, you'll save so much time and stress in the morning. Plus, it keeps you from grabbing unhealthy options when hunger hits. Here's a small but powerful tweak. End your day with gratitude. Take a moment before bed to jot down 3 things you're thankful for. It's a great way to shift your mindset and go to sleep on a positive note. And there you have it, tiny tweaks that can make a big difference in your life. Which one are you excited to try first? Or do you have a favorite tip of your own? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to make life better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.